My name is Jerome Foster II, and my TED Talk today was about the power of tree equity. When I was a kid, I grew up looking at how powerful the stars in outer space were, and it was important for me to turn that curiosity back onto my own planet and understand how we can have the same reverence and sense of relationship with the nature that's around us. So I talk today about the power of tree equity because across our country and the world, we see that there's disparities when it comes to indicators around race and income, that people don't have equal access to the outdoors and to nature. And it's important to know that jobs that are a part of the green economy are jobs of the future. When it comes to planting a tree, installing a solar panel, it is all a part of rebuilding our connection to nature and seeing humanity as not apart from it, but as in tune to it as it's critical to our survival. So I think it's important that any young person who's interested in being a part of the climate action movement, that they be a tree equity champion and join this movement so that we, in 2060 and 2070, we can look back and say that this was the green age, the decade in which we decided to take climate action seriously, to regreen our neighborhoods, to make urban spaces places that are safe and are bastions of public health, because we started with the idea that nature is the foundation that we can build upon. And when we start from there, we can have profound reimaginations of how we can educate around nature, how we can be in nature more often, and not be confined to the digital world.